When it comes to finding a reliable property maintenance company, it's essential that you work with a company that you can really trust. In a world full of unreliable tradesmen, you need to find a provider with a good reputation. A reliable company whose work is backed up with plenty of 5-star customer reviews, and who will respond rapidly to any maintenance issues you might have. That's where TMT Central comes in. TMT Central is a central London-based property maintenance company with a variety of different services for businesses and residents in central London and the surrounding areas. The team at TMT Central place honesty, reliability and quality as their core values, and have years of experience helping people like you to enjoy a better work and home life. Our professional services include painting and decorating, plumbing, refurbishment, handyman, power washing, rubbish removal, and much more. Whether it's a handyman for a simple one-off job or a regular property maintenance package that you need, TMT Central will jump to it and provide a dedicated team, ready to put a smile on your face. We not only have those wonderful 5-star Google reviews to shout about, but we are trusted and our high standards are monitored by reputable sites like Check a Trade and Trust a Trader. So if you're looking for a friendly, knowledgeable and reliable property maintenance service, TMT Central will do everything to exceed your expectations and leave your home or office looking clean and tidy. Get in touch today to discuss our property maintenance packages and receive a free no-obligation quote. Just visit www.tmtcentral.co.uk and fill out the inquiry form, or call 020 3950 3309. Experience firsthand what sets TMT Central apart from the rest.